Hello, my name is Brandon, and along with me we have Derek. We are two of the designers here at Homemakers, and we are going to show you a quick and easy way to set up a gallery wall. First thing you need to do is obviously pick out your art. So Derek and I walked Homemakers yesterday, and we found these amazing pieces that we are going to create a custom look in our little living room. Another important piece is to make sure you have the needed materials: hammer, level, ruler, measuring tape, painter's tape, nails, and then a marker or a pen to mark any notes on your template. And speaking of template, we have one already made. What I did is I laid everything out prior on how I wanted it to look on the wall. I then traced the products, and then I also put notes as far as to remind myself how much distance I want between the frames and the pieces of artwork. Typical rule of thumb is about 3 to 5 inches. You can go a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on how you want your layout to look. So here I already marked where I'm going to nail the items, so that way it makes it easy for me to know what I'm doing. All right, thank you, sir. And we will hang. This is where your level comes in handy. We'll just set it there and we will adjust accordingly. Let's start next with the Cupid arrow piece, and we'll just continue moving down the template. I usually like to work left and work myself counterclockwise back to the top. As you can see, we have our template removed, and here we are, the big reveal. A quick trick that I like to do is, if something is not perfectly level, take a piece of tape behind the frame, stick, and then your picture will stay level exactly where you want it to. And for more tips and tricks, visit our blog at blog.homemakers.com.